Here my wedding bouquet, peonies growing in, or peonies. And you can see I have buds that are coming in this year. Let me see if I can get a picture of the bud. And it's early right there. You could barely see it because there's a leaf covering the bud. They all have little buds. I'm so excited because these smell so divine. They are my favorite of all fragrant flowers. And they're so old. They've been around for so long, peonies. And usually you don't get peonies until they've been in the ground, or in a pot in my case, for at least 2 years. And I happen to find a great grower. Here's one. And I have buds this year, and I just planted these a few months ago. There's a bud. That little small little, point it out. Right here. That's the little baby bud coming in. And right here is another little baby bud coming in. Right here. Right there where my finger is. Right there. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Here's my cherry tree. Oh. It's waking up. You put her in a pot. My dirty fence, I'll clean that in a couple of weeks. And all of these will be oriental lilies. If you all know, I love fragrant flowers. These are more oriental lilies. All of these tall pots are oriental lilies. And this is my magnolia tree I bought a couple of years ago in honor of my Aunt Kim, who passed away. I call this Kim. And she's been pushing out flowers for the past couple of years. So I expect to see her full of buds, full of flowers this year, because she's full of buds. Yeah. These are orientals in these window pots. Cabbage and greens. And these are rainbow carrots that Ian sowed about a month ago. They're finally putting out their first true leaves. You can see those little bitty, they look like little celery leaves. These are carrots, rainbow carrots. Heirloom, colorful, excited. Alright.